Good afternoon, Long families. I just wanted to talk to you for a moment about the new long dismissal process. Much of this is not different from years past, but there are some differences that I would like to highlight. First, if you are picking your child up through the drive-through car external parent pickup, you will enter through Sappington. You will have one row of cars until you get to this crosswalk, which you will then split into two rows of cars. One here and one here. These cars will have their names taken by our fabulous Miss Jill. She will take your names. You will not move. Somebody will be here with a stop sign. And then once the cars are filled in this period right here, all cars in this section will be dismissed out Sappington. Then the next row of cars will come this way and this way. So we'll constantly have two streams of cars coming through the front of the school. There will not be any buses at this time coming through the front of the school. So we're hoping that this not only speeds up the process, but also makes it safer for our students to not have to intermingle with buses and cars. One change that you need to be aware of is when you enter Sappington, we are asking that you not turn in this lane. We will in fact have cones set up to stop cars from going through this part right here. This will eliminate people parking along right here, getting out of their car, waving to their children across the way, and having their children walk through cars and through the parking lot to get to your vehicle. We are asking that if you do want to park your car and get out of your vehicle, that you do so by parking, getting out of your car, and then walking around to parent pickup internal, which is housed in our library. We are asking that no parent gets out of their car during the external parent pickup. Again, we don't want our children walking across lanes of cars and the parking lot to get to their car. So again, your name will be taken. There will be two rows going. Miss Jill will not walk all along here to take names. She will only take names once you get into the loading zone right here. Also be aware that there will be a stop sign here keeping our buses, which are entering in through Doorcrest, from going at the same time as the cars. When the buses are all loaded, we will stop the cars temporarily to release all the buses from Sappington Road. We are very, very excited about these changes and the safety that it will provide our kids. We will also have our crossing guard on Sappington starting day one. So we're very excited about that. If your child is a walker who needs to cross Sappington, they will be escorted out the front of the school. They will walk with an adult down the sidewalk, and then they will be released to cross with the crossing guard. If your child does not cross Sappington to go home, if they go home through like the Playground Parkway, that'll be released in a separate location. This is just for our friends who cross Sappington Road. So I hope this is helpful to give you a little bit more of an idea of what dismissal will look like. Drop off in the morning looks exactly the same as it always has. The biggest difference is I can't stress enough that we do not want external parent pickup driving through the parking lot, parking, getting out of their car and standing along the grass here and trying to get their children out this way. Please be patient and wait in your cars so that we can make sure all kids get into a vehicle safely and are not walking through a parking lot. You are, of course, more than welcome to get out of your car to get your child and walk into internal parent pickup in the library where you would show an ID to pick up your child. So bear with us as we make these changes. Things might be a little bit more hectic and slow in the beginning, but again, everything we are doing is in the best interest of kids and keeping everyone safe. We can't wait for Thursday. We're so excited, and we hope to see you all at Meet the Teacher tonight. Thanks.